electromagnetic waves and their impact on the human immunity. Generally, it can be understood that man has an automotive system wherein he is having a specific degree of immunity which will make him healthy, fit, and also he will be metabolically efficient. He can produce his own energy and also he can have a symmetrical balance for himself. This is all what is taking place without the human intervention. The human body is a various aspect of the cyclical function of the magnetism. Here, the geomagnetism, biomagnetism, and universal magnetism are the three natural forces which are forming a triangle of energy within the human body. The frequency of geomagnetism is 1. The frequency of biomagnetism is 1 plus. The frequency of universal magnetism is 1 plus to the power of n. In such a situation, we have another problem which has been created by what is called as electromagnetic waves. Nowadays, for the past 100 years, man is using more equipment which is functioning through the electronics, and the electrical power has become a much substitute for conveying all the aspects of the human life, including the thought process. And these particular electromagnetic waves are having more frequency than the biomagnetic waves. There is a tough fight between the biomagnetic waves and the electromagnetic waves in the human body. Biomagnetic waves are generally controlled by the food and water system, and also they are operated by the frequency of the air intake and the output. On the other hand, the electromagnetic system is purely artificial. It is man-made and machine-made. Its voltage is totally different from the voltage of geomagnetism, biomagnetism, and universal magnetism. The human body has been acculturated for the use of the electronics. As a result, what is happening? The entire nervous system, endocrinal system, and the respiratory system, these three are basically affected by the electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves are having a wider impact on the aspect of declining values of the human potential. The human potential is controlled by the frequency of the biomagnetism. As we have identified, the biomagnetism of the human body is somewhat frequent than that of the geomagnetism, and that is why the man is in a position to move, run, think, respirate, reproduce, and excretion. All these activities are nothing but the functioning of the biomagnetic areas. On the other hand, when man is habituated for substituting the electromagnetic waves in the human system, all the sense organs and the muscular system and the respiratory system, they are directly influenced by the electromagnetic waves. It is leading to a numerous of the neurological identities, and also it is trying to dictate the system of the endocrinology. As a result, there is a neurological and endocrinal imbalance within the human body. As a result, it is leading to the metabolic deficiency. This is a great problem which the humankind is never thinking of. Man is thinking that he is using a mobile, or he is using an earphone, or he is watching TV, or he is using the electronic gadgets. But actually, he is not using simply the electronic gadgets. He is providing a scope for the intervention of the electromagnetic waves into the human system. Starting from the body to the toe, the man is infected by the electromagnetic waves. Their frequency is so great that the biomagnetism cannot fight with the electromagnetism. That is the major reason for the lessening values of the immunity. It's not the lack of food, or it is not the lack of proper exercise, or it is not the lack of proper breathing, or it is not the lack of proper environment, but the functioning frequency of the electromagnetic waves is more supreme, that it is trying to dominate the biomagnetism. It is the law of the nature that the human body and the mind are subjected to biomagnetism. But that particular law is totally violated by the intervention of the electromagnetic systems. As a result, the human body has become weak, and wherever the electronic equipment has been made use more in the regular way of life, there the immunity level is gradually going down, and it is leading for metabolic deficiency, asymmetry in the endocrinal system, and also a failure in the neurological balance. All these things are basically the reason for this pandemic, what is called as coronavirus, which is called as COVID-19. This is ignored by most of the scientists. All the virologists and the bacteriologists, they are simply thinking about certain bacteriological or parasitological or virological identities, and also the other aspects. And some other people, like the yoga people, they are thinking about some exercises, and the naturopaths are thinking about the food and the nutrition. But nobody is concentrating on what is called as electromagnetic intervention, which is disadvantageous for the survival of the human well-being. It is the reason for the breaking of the human system. As a result, the human failure is not found in what is called as not providing a vaccine or not providing the hospital facilities, but actually man is not curtailing the use of the electromagnetic waves through the using of the electronic gadgets. So if the man is more powerful and discriminate, he has to reduce the use of the electromagnetic waves. As a result, the body can become more efficient, and he can become proficient, efficient, and metabolically efficient also. He can create his own energy. His energy will not be waste. He can fight easily land. He can fight easily the food. He can fight easily the fire or the air, but he cannot fight the electricity. So the electromagnetic waves are a particular thing which are contributing for a concealed shock within the human system. As a result, the biological thrombosis is taking place. It is leading for the hemorrhages. It is leading for the other aspects of the failure of the pancreas and the liver, and the problems of the other aspects which are physiologically and biologically identified to be pathogenic, and this must not be forgotten. I request you kindly to think about this particular system, that the electromagnetic intervention is the major reason for the failure of the human health, and also it is the major reason for the prevalence of the pandemic COVID-19. Wish you the best of luck. You try your level best to reduce the use of the electronic gadgets. Thanking you.